Okay, should be live. Oh, I should roll the intro, just for fun. Okay, we are in the intro now. Now, I have to see what I can do there. So, just ending the intro. Had an overview. Everything seems to work. I need a mouse. I have to zoom in and zoom out. Something like this. Okay. Works. Okay, last time I stopped at the, it doesn't work with changing the potentiometer on the PS4 controller. So, today's Sunday. It was boring. I thought, this piece is still laying in the basement and cannot keep it like this. It's a little bit messy on the table now. The first thing I do was building in a rig something to help me to desolder from a donor board the joystick. And this is a transformer. Very good, very stable. I used the heat gun at 400 degrees. It really take a while. This thing get so much heat away from the heat source that it takes really long to desolder it. But I make it, and it was very clean. Okay. All of this I make out of the camera because I wanted to be a little bit more patient. It's a little bit difficult when you think, you should talk something and but okay. So then I rip out the old one, I cut it out, clean the holes, and it went very well, and assemble it. But then this is really a cursed controller, ein verfluchter Controller. It seems like this is the first generation of PS4 controllers. Well, second, I have no idea. I don't know about the generations of PS4 controllers. But on the newer one, or the parts that I have, the trigger buttons are different. Okay, I will show you. There's the one I need. This is the one trigger button from his controller. And the spare parts look like this. There. Focus. Do the focus trick. And you can see there's a latch here that is not here. First, I guess. Okay, it's just broken. No, it's not broken. It's part of the design. Don't get lost. It's the only one I have. And everything that falls down to my floor will be lost forever. Trust me. Not really. I can find it. So, there. Okay, first, then I thought, okay, I can just remove this part. They are too different. Doesn't work. Let me zoom out a while. So next, okay, because of the problem, on his controller, one of the problems he told me is that the R2 is mushy, doesn't work well. And when I take it apart, I see why. Because one of the shafts was broken. Too heavy playing, I guess. So I have no spare parts. My spare parts I have are from the newer models, more improved. And so, doesn't work. But what I have are these press rods. They're 2 millimeters. I don't have 2.5 millimeter one, but I think it's better than nothing. And this is just a try. I totally removed the broken plastic. Can zoom in quite well when it focuses. I need something to help to focus. Maybe this? Yeah, maybe you can see. And then I get a very fine drill. Not this one. This was just for the pilot hole, because this is still too big. Up there, I get this one, a 2mm drill, and drill a hole at the place where the original shaft was. First, I wanted to drill it through for stability and put in a long rod of press material, 2mm. But then I realized this controller is really cursed, verflucht. Damn it. That cutout in the middle, it's not by accident, no, it's by design. The buttons or the rubber here need this cutout to fit in. Let me see if I can show you. When I put the rod through for stability, it doesn't work. So luckily I didn't cut this side. I only cut the one side. I didn't drill it through. So it should be enough in theory. I have no idea. It's the first time I'm playing with those things. But I just need to, where's the camera? There. That I just need to glue in this little press rod. Me and gluing is often doesn't work well. So if this also fails, don't worry, I won't give up, but this will be the end of the video for today. Okay, and there I get a message. Wait a second. Because I'm sharing it with my co-workers. I need some viewers, okay? Otherwise it's boring. Always sit alone and send the things. Yes, chef, it goes again. I cannot give up this controller, okay? This controller is totally cursed. There. And dirty. And now we clean it up. So, let's see if I'm lucky. And because this is a different generation than the one parts I have. A lot of parts, to be honest. Let's zoom out. I like it with the zoom. I need to build something for the zoom function. But it's from a different generation. So even I have a lot of spare parts, not for his old controller. That is, I have no idea, first generation. Cannot find any, or I didn't look for any more information. So I just see it's not the one I have. So then I look at ifixit.com, of course. It's not sponsored. Too bad. I have no sponsor. I have to make it my own. To find any pictures, because I didn't know later. Oh, stick to the magnet, of course. How to put in this little springs. I really have no idea, because I remember when I just play with the controllers that I have, the lot of the broken ones from eBay, and I put some parts together, there was no problem, no issue with the R2 and L2 button. But here I look at it and I thought, okay, where does the spring go? The ones I have as reference are different. So luckily, I could find some pictures at ifixit.com. And this is not my hand. I don't have, no, like this. More dirty but shorter. Oh my gosh, I'm playing just for half hour here. So, looks a little bit crazy. This is the one where the spring has to be, and it's really loose. It's not attached, it's just throw on it. Well, you can do it. And this is the picture where to assemble it. I have really no idea if I can make it, but I won't give up. Okay. So, try to, should not lose this part. This is cut to length. So, let me see. Should I apply this? I don't apply the glue to this. I need something to put the glue on first. Of course, it's cyan acrylic. Oh, doesn't matter. It's Uhu brand, so a little bit advertisement. Even not sponsored by Uhu. Why should they? And I put some. This is good. This is the gooey stuff, the not so liquid stuff. I like this better. Last time I bought this kind of glue that was very, very gooey and not my favorite. Put some on it. I'm not afraid of. Put it on my fingers. Maybe it will happen. So, should zoom in for you, but not wait too long. It's Sekundenkleber. Stick it through, not too far, otherwise it will interfere with the buttons. The buttons, of course, but buttons sounds better. So, metal piece in a totally plastic controller. And while it is there, somehow you just put a trip more of this. And it's every time with glue. First, it doesn't come out, then you press harder and it comes out. Very good. And too much, of course. It's never the right amount of it. So, oh, wait, sorry. I'm out of the shot. So I use something to put some more glue on this. Then just wait a second or 2 or 5. No idea. Let this get oh, I should zoom out. I really need the control monitor on this side so you can see me. It's maybe not the best. Maybe not everyone wants to see me, but doesn't matter. Yeah, and you see, the lab can be messy. You should not see the floor. Behind me, I think behind me it's okay. Right? It's very cleaned. You see the lights, the LEDs. Some of my projects. Yes. And how is the audio? Does audio work? Oh, maybe someone is in chat. Where's the chat? Happy Mac. Ah, okay. Hello, hello. Someone is there. Not so many. Not so many people are there. And it's already 12 minutes without really big good content. Not looks good. I hate this controller. You should see part 1. It was really frustrating. I never repair a PS4 controller and it was not fun. And to be honest, I give up at this moment. But I'm back because failure is not an option. Or who say this? I have no idea. And this morning, just come back to it. And I have no idea if this will hold. Otherwise, I need to wait until another broken controller or I get another job lot of broken controllers. So maybe from the first generation to get the first generation one. Focus. Oh. Let me see how far I can zoom in. But no, it doesn't focus. Something to help to focus. Close? No, I think it's too close. But it's quite stable. Should we try to put it together? Not put. It's more like throw it together. And I should not lost one of those springs. Normally, I'm not afraid of losing screws or springs or something, small parts, because I have a lot of it. But in this case, this Gen 1 controller is the only one I have. And if I lost one of those parts, it's over. A little bit nervous to put it together. I don't know why. Should I start with the... And, oh, another one. I just, before I do this, I try to put on the not broken one. It is very fiddly. I really don't like this Gen 1 controller, to be honest. The Gen 3, 4, 5, I have no idea. It's much easier to assemble and disassemble. This one is, I don't like it. Yeah, I need to make, oh, there's, oh, they're attracted to the magnets. Nice. So there's a little chance that I can find it on the floor when it get lost, but the chance is 0.0001%. And also this thing, it's totally different inside. I have no idea. It's not okay, I will put parts together, but it doesn't fit as any part that I have. Wait, why I have one? This is a different one. Oops. Let me see the picture. I have no idea. I think this is the... Whoa, number 4. Now let's get crazy. Okay, this is maybe from the new one. Because on the picture, it looks like more like this. Okay. I'm really good in losing parts. Okay, these are the wrong ones. Should put them there somewhere. R, L. Okay, I should put the L on the L and not on the R side. So, on the picture from ifixit.com, they hold it like this. Okay. Fingers. Okay, there is a cavity on this side. I cannot see it's all is black. This is the position, and then this comes where the cavity is. There. Okay, this side works. Now to this side. It's inside. It's not... I'm not sure if it works. Just work 1 second, okay? Just work until I give it to him. It's okay. Would be enough. Okay. This side clicks in. Maybe it's still a little bit mushy because it's 2 millimeters and not 2.5, but it's inside. Okay. Too much work for Justin. Oh, there. Justin PS4 Controller. Oh. I'm not a gamer. Not a console gamer. Somewhere is the Xbox 360 in this room. I have no idea where it is. Okay. Oh, and I have a lot of frame drops. I'm not streaming with so high speed. I don't know. I hope the quality is not too bad for you. And looks about the same. Looks really good. What capture card are you using? Oh, I don't use any capture card. I use my work phone and my private phone with a software called Epoch Cam and an IV Cam to stream from the phone over wireless to the laptop. The laptop is using OBS and the software for it. And that's all I'm using. So 2 smartphones, and smartphones has usually a very good camera, especially the front, the main cam, the down facing cam is an Huawei M20 Mate 20 Pro. This main cam is very good. And the face cam is the work phone. It's a Samsung Android phone. I don't like Android so much, but it works for this. And so I have a very good front cam. And the nice thing I like on it, I can, on the front cam, I have the screen. So I can see myself, so I see that I'm in a shot or not, but ahead I don't see. That's why I just want a second screen up, something there in front of me, so I can see what I'm doing. So I have to look there on the computer to see if it is in shot or not. And I find out with the IV Cam software, when it's run on the own window, I just can zoom in, zoom out, and can zoom in. So this is something I really like. And even when I zoom in very close, the picture quality is not getting so bad. The face cam is set to 960 by 7 something pixel, and the main cam to full HD 1920 by 1080. So it's a cheap setup. I don't need to spend money for it. I just bought a 25 euro microphone because that was the biggest issue I have. But it works now a little bit better than before. So now it should be time to throw this together. I don't want to say put it together or assemble, because that sounds professional, and this is not professional at all. And I'm talking too much, I guess. You see, I'm nervous to do it. I have no idea if it works. And I need to find out a way to test it, because I don't have a PS4. That should also not be a big problem. So, zoom out with the mouse, zoom in. I'm working on it. Oh, wait, I can. Oh. My inner monk comes through. This needs to be nice and short. Okay, so the back frame. One thing he does, he really, also my coworker, just take it apart before, he really mess up the flat flex cable. I have some flat flex, but this is again the problem, different generation. But it doesn't look, I don't want to do any experiments, just wanted this work. But the flat flex is really mangled up what he has there. So, no. Whew. To put it together on this generation, I will later show you the newer generation that I got on this job lot. It's a little bit totally different. Shit. Sorry, I didn't say this. Okay, just cut it out. No, it's live. That's the problem when you do it live. But this is the way I like it. We like to entertain you. Oh, this is jumping German. Only the German viewers will understand this. It's from the German private television. Okay. So the difficult part to put this, to throw this together, is that you have to fiddle it in like there or something. So nothing I really like, but we will do it. I will do it somehow. So and because this was ripped, the cable, before I try to put it total at least together, not sure if this direction or the other direction. Let me see. These things always tend to fall out. Don't like it. Don't fall out, don't fall out, don't fall out. Stay where you are. Okay. On my very professional charging cable. It works. Most of the time. Plug it in. It's limited to 100 milliamp. It is charging, so it's fine, I guess. Oh, sorry, it's tangling the microphone. It is something I need to figure out where to put the microphone. Yes, my microphone is not at the best place. It's there. There. Okay, now it's in it. I don't like the fiddling thing that things fall out. Oh, I really should read the whole reassembling process on ifixit.com. So really don't mess with the first gen PS4 controllers. They're terrible to assemble. And I told my coworker, oh, it's easy to open, easy to repair, easy to replace the parts, no problem. If I know that there are more generations and he has the first gen, that is not easy. Really not easy. I will not say this. Really, on the other gen, it was much easier. Okay. Let me see if I can get some tips on iFixit. Connecting, closing. Close it, okay? From the setup, it's a bit hard to do so, but careful, so you don't break the plastic. Ha ha ha. Push down until it clicks. Ha ha ha. This is not the best. They wrote easy. Okay. Okay, they wrote it's easy. It's not easy. And I lost the spring. I can see it. Close. Get out. Number one. Oh no, the other one is still there. At the moment, the repaired one hold much better than the original one. Where is the mouse? There's the mouse. There it is. There's OBS. Okay, I can zoom out. Oh. Wrong window to zoom out. They wrote, put the spring into the cavity. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Make sure it is in the cavity. Yes. Make sure you have small enough fingers to do it. That they should say. Oh, if you have big hands and big fingers, don't do it. Or get someone helping with small fingers. Okay, okay, don't get out. Stay there. Stay there. They wrote. Whoever assembled this in the factory, you are great. Okay, maybe it's like a learning curve. After you do this 1,000 times, it's getting easy and you just laugh about it. Think, oh, what is this guy doing? It's so easy. Just press it together and it works. Something like this. But not for me. I'm guessing they have to make it like this. This. No, stop. Maybe I should watch another YouTube video how to put it together. I'm sorry, guys. Just have fun with me. It's Sunday morning, or evening, morning, 12:24. And it should be not so difficult to put it together, throw it together. It would be easier to throw it in the garbage and tell him buy a new one. Does it stick out too long what I make there? Is that a problem? Oh. Oh, this could be a problem. It sticks out a little bit what I do there. In the original, it doesn't stick out. So look at the failure at your side, not on the other side. Something like this. Don't get lost. Don't look at this. This is not the right tool for it. I cannot show you what I'm doing. I will break my precise tool. Okay, to be honest, this tool is already broken, so it's not so bad. It flies very well. Okay, next try. Okay, now it doesn't stick out so far. Maybe. This controller is cursed. That is the only explanation what's going on here. So, no, stay. 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 Okay. I know. You want to fight with me. It's okay. We can get a little bit fire, more heat, more hot air, maybe a little bit more voltage. How about 30 volt and 10 amp for you? Is it okay for you, my friend? Sorry, I just need this for one moment. I should get my coffee. Someone there? Listen to me. Let me see. No. Oh. Yes. It should not be so difficult. And I don't want to make this off camera. Maybe I will be quiet for the next few minutes, figuring out how to put this together. I'm not sure. It should be not so difficult. Maybe just for me to relax, I should put this at the side and show you the next generation or the newer generation of PS4 controller that is much easier to maintenance than this one. This one drives me crazy, and it is not a good idea, okay? Because I have very dangerous tools here. I have voltage, amps, fire if you want, heat, and I'm not good when I have bad mood. Getting bad ideas. Okay, I put this beside, just for a while. I hope I don't lose any parts of it. So, getting this one. This is a newer generation. Doesn't look so much different from the outside. But I realized the lights from this come. Just light here. This one doesn't do this. But it's okay. Just open this. Just for reference. And that you see what I mean. And don't think, oh, this guy is crazy. Okay, I'm crazy. That's right. This guy has no idea how to repair. Yes, it's also right, but a little bit. And when I say this generation is easier, then it is easier, okay? You can trust me. Better not. And I need a coffee. So, it'll be only 1-2 minutes. I even didn't know where my good screwdrivers are. So I have to use this crap, but it's okay. This one is so much easier. So let me see where I have the dispatcher. I still need to open it. This was, yeah, this was much easier also to open. So just open it. And there's only the cable and not this things here. So much easier. And the R2 buttons are kept by those things. Much better. And the motors also have something like this, I think, for more stability. So this version of the controller is much easier to repair. You can trust me. And that is what I told my coworker. I say, okay, it's no problem. It's a thing for a few minutes. Now it's already the second time. We revisit the controller. Try to put it together. It's so shaming. Sorry, guys. Or ladies, if some ladies watching. I have no idea. I think most of my coworkers are still sleeping. It's a little bit early. No, just joking. It's Sunday. Don't need to work. Next week will be the Black Week. I should tell my coworker, get a new controller. But I don't give up. I will try it. Now I remember Herr der Ringe movie with Gollum. I just feel like Gollum. Just talk with myself. Like, we have to give up. No, we can't give up. We have to. Otherwise we get crazy. No, we are already crazy. We can go ahead. So, you see? Much better. I need a place for all of this. So, but now you excuse me. I just need to get a coffee. And just get clear with this one. With the cursed controller. Just put it back in the shot. So you can see, my friend, the cursed controller. That is the only explanation I have. That this one is really, really cursed. It's not normal what this thing is doing with me. I'm totally relaxed. No. Okay, just wait. I really need to get in coffee. Back soon. See you. Yes, I'm back. It goes fast, I know. It was already prepared, but I forgot it. So the coffee is a little bit cold. Maybe I should play some royalty-free music. Should be not too bad. If I can find it. Da 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 dee, da 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 dee, da da. I have the speakers in. Are my speakers working? I have no idea. Okay. Okay. Hopefully there will be no call now. Hoffentlich ruft jetzt keiner an. Oh, it should not happen. No one is calling. Hey, then don't click more. They are in, totally. Now the rubber do something that it should not do. Okay. Back on. And we'll see if they have some tips. Close the cover by starting from the side of the triggers. Okay. Don't worry if it is a bit hard to do so. Yes, it is hard. But be careful so you don't break the plastic between the trigger and the bumper. Break. I really like the newer one better. I need more of this. By the way, it is called With Reader at the Movies in quote marks from Jugi Kartinen. I don't know how to speak it. And it is on the scene.ftp where you can get all the demos, especially from Amiga, the demo scene. And I think this is one of the greatest soundtracks I ever found there. Should not give in content match, I hope. It doesn't matter. Concentration. So, because I also don't know how I should hold it. And okay, the disc comes out a little bit, is understandable. Well, I understand because you cannot click in, but this one also not totally doing what it should do. They're right, it is hard, but I don't know what they mean with hard. It is, for me, it's just fiddly. It's just like it will always fall. Not hard. It's not hard together. Oops. Oh, you see? Short break for coffee helps. It still I need to work, but it's together. Do I have some viewers? Is someone there? Please tell me. Okay, I need to screw it. I hope the screws are the same between the generations. I need to check this out first. Oh, I need to check first if it's still charged. At my luck, it lost the cable inside. Okay. Okay, we are charging with about 400 milliamp. Should be okay. And it clicks. It clicks. Everything is together. It's good. This screw is not looking good. This screw is also not looking good. This screw is looking good. Doesn't matter. Doesn't come out on the other side. The options in the share button seems to work. Not too bad. It's dirty. So after this I should check. I think I have an app on the phone. Last time I installed something to use the controllers, but I'm not sure if they're still there. I should be able to pair it with this. Also very bad one. This looks good. To check the controller, because I have no idea if it works or not, but it's good. All the buttons work. It lights up. So let me see if I can pair it with my phone. Unbelievable. Yes. Yes. Oh, I need to. Okay, there's just some advertisement. Doesn't matter. Why you want to open Amazon? Okay, just go. Ah, it goes to shop. Nice app. You brings you to shopping site. I just want to test it. Bluetooth-y. Bluetooth-y. Wo ist Bluetooth-y? I should not show you. No, it's nothing. But it's a little bit funny. So, Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Okay. How to bring this to the pairing mode? At the moment it's off. So. Yep. 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 Oh no, there's behind me. Yep. No, this is the one behind me. Yep. Okay, wait, I need to Google. I have really no idea. How to pair PS4 controller with E4 Okay, press not the PS button and share button. Okay. I will do this. I have no idea how much. Oh, okay, it's just. Oh, it's flashing. Flashy light. Okay, I can see the controller already. Verbunden. Now I need to check if the controller app do something. I don't want to remove the advertisement, just want to check it doesn't do anything. Gamepad tester. Oh, that looks good. Oh, no. Okay, we get an advertisement first. I should not show this. It's not my advertisement. Can I? Okay, I can. Another one. I just want to try it. Please. Don't do this to me. Why? Why? Okay, it's the cursed controller. Still the cursed PS4 controller. Okay, you can see the advertisement. Funny. Yeah, it's good. I know the connection is not the best. Why? Why it is like this? It's not. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this button. This is not doing nothing. I have no idea if I'm still online. Ich weiß nicht if I'm not still ohne Leine. Oh. I'm connected not with wireless. I'm connected with. I need to make a speed test. Yes. Not my day. Cool. That should be plenty enough. Ja, ist ja gut. Los! Okay, I have a download from about 350. Download looks very good. 345, 350, 360, 370, 380. Oh, I'm just getting to the 400. Yes. Over 400 Mbit download. And let me check the upload. Okay. The upload is quite slow. That is not normal. I normally have about 20 Mbit upload. So, but at the moment I'm struggling with about 8. Okay, it's getting up. But it's not my normal connection quality. So maybe, oh, now it's better. Should do the speed test sometimes. Looks like it fires through the line and the connection get better. No, it doesn't sound so, how to say? Okay. Yes. Trying it. Okay, so yes. It's okay. Can clean up later. Bring in the phone. Try to find out what happened with my connection. Try the other software. The software doesn't look good. Advertisement again, of course. Okay, here you can see the controller. And oh, this is a cool software. Can I just put it? I can put it like this. So, okay, there's still the advertisement. I don't know if I can get it out now. I then have to pay for it, and I don't want to buy any software to check it. So let me zoom in. I maybe should, just for you guys. Whoa, and don't. So, okay, we try it. This side. This side. No, no. Okay, then. Hey, it doesn't kill it. It works. Arason, it works. My coworker will be happy. His old first generation PS4 controller that was broken works again. I have no idea how to make this testing, but it should be okay. So it works. Okay, looks a little bit. And it goes to the middle. It doesn't have any problems to go back to the middle. I don't know which one side was broken, but this looks good. A little bit. Damn advertisement. Let me do the advertisement. So. Yeah, what should I say? It was successful. After a really big, how to say, trouble with this cursed controller. It is working. Okay. Let me zoom out. I didn't find the other one now. Okay, it's working. just give it a good clean with washing, rubbing alcohol. And I find my, there's a bottle. This is a kid safe. Ooh, very good. So, la 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 la. La 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 la. So da di da di da da. Da di da 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 da. La 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 la. Ooh. Yes. So, success after 3 hours totally. A lot of hour without video. It works. Good to not give up. This is a lesson for you. Don't give up, even if it doesn't work. Get a coffee. Sometimes it helps. Just put it by side. Maybe it helps for you also. Just, how to say, get a little bit distance from it. So view it from another angle. This is a lesson for you guys. Whoever watched this video, maybe the 90 people. Most of them won't come to this part. That is also have to be saying, to be told. So most of you, okay, when you listen to this, then you are watched to the end of the video. Okay, I don't know if this is good or bad, or if you're more crazy than me, but it should be okay. So if you come to the end of this video, that's not the end yet. Congratulations, you're very patient. I hope you have some fun with me. For me, I just decided when I make another video or when I go ahead with the YouTube things, I will do it live. It's more fun. I hope I will have some more viewers soon, especially on the live, on the chat. It's more fun to read your comments and answer them live in the video. That is an advantage of my small channel. I have only one viewer. I can really concentrate to the one viewer who can do this, not many. And we can have fun. But again, don't give up. Okay, after 2 hours, the last day I really have to stop it because my coworker was also, and he wanted to learn. He wanted to go home and learn for school. So I decided, okay, we stop at this point, and we called it quit. But in my mind, especially with those things, I cannot give it totally up. Before it is not totally burned down and there's no chance, really no chance to do it, I won't give up. I go ahead and look for a solution. Maybe this is only a temporary solution, but it isn't a solution. It works. So I'm a little bit proud of myself. You know this feeling maybe if you repair your things by yourself. And see you at the next video. I'm not sure, maybe I will do something. I really need to do something easy. I have somewhere, I've still a kit to solder together. A clock, I like clocks. And I guess this will be the next video. Just a very easy one. Just solder something together. 99% chance that it works. So see you guys until the next video. Bye bye. I need to find the button to stop this. Oh, my arm always. Okay, maybe this is something like. No, sorry.